How to follow people on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to follow people on Roblox. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First of all, hop into the Roblox application. Before that, make sure to install the application. Tap play button and you will land on the official homepage of Roblox. Make sure to sign into your account. And here, under the recommended for you page, you can easily select the people that you want to follow on Roblox, or you can also tap on the search icon at top right corner of the screen and you can easily enter the username or the name of the people that you want to follow on Roblox. Suppose if Murder Mystery 2 is the person or the developer, then easily come to this page, scroll down a bit and here tap on developer option. Then this will let you access to the about feed of this person. So as you can see that this person has 1.9 million followers, which is very good. So in order to follow those people on Roblox, tap the three dots at top right corner of the screen and tap on the follow button. And once you do that, you need to follow the on-screen prompts, and after that you have successfully followed people on Roblox. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and thank you for watching.